Hey friend, let me tell you what happened when I installed Linux thinking I'd become a 1337 hacker overnight. Instead, I completely broke my Wi-Fi, nuked my bootloader, and somehow turned my volume keys into a shortcut for launching LibreOffice. Yeah, I typed help into the terminal like a normal human being, and Linux looked me dead in the eye and said, no. Welcome to Linux, where everything works perfectly, as long as you already know how everything works. It's not a learning curve, it's a trap. The real problem with learning Linux isn't that it's hard, it's that nobody teaches it like a normal human. You Google how to learn Linux, and you end up in a 2006 forum thread where some guy named Skullroot69 tells you, just build your own kernel for fun, bro. Dude, I don't even know what a kernel is. Then another legend drops, use Gentoo, it builds character. Sir, I'm just trying to open a terminal, not unlock a spiritual awakening. And let's be honest, Linux is heavily gatekept by terminal elitists who act like typing shmod 777 makes them morally superior. But here's the twist. They're not entirely wrong. Learning Linux does give you actual superpowers. It just absolutely destroys you first. It's like Dark Souls, but with semicolons. Everyone says Linux has a learning curve. No. It's a vertical cliff. Step 1, install Linux. Step 2, no Wi-Fi. Step 3, spend 6 hours fixing your audio. Realize it was just muted the whole time. But once you survive that pain, something inside you changes. You stop using your computer. You start commanding it. And that feeling? It's addictive. So here's how to actually learn Linux without completely losing your sanity. Start simple. Master the basics first, files, directories, and the most important commands. Because real hackers don't memorize everything, they just know how to search better than everyone else. And please, avoid these deadly beginner mistakes. Don't start with Arch. Don't try to memorize 200 commands on day 1. And for the love of everything holy, don't copy random scripts from Reddit. That's not hacking. That's playing Russian roulette with your operating system. So why put yourself through all this pain? Because Linux is everywhere. Servers, cybersecurity, hacking tools, CTFs. You think you're going to become a real hacker from a Windows GUI? No. The real ones live in the terminal. They run commands like magic spells. They debug with pure rage and caffeine. If you really want to learn Linux, stop watching videos. Start doing. Break your system. Fix it. Break it again. That pain you feel? That's how you grow. One day, you'll look back at the scared beginner who was terrified of typing sudo, and you'll laugh. Because now, you are root. See you on the other side.